Good morning. So pleased to see you. It's a lovely day. I'm afraid the garden is not looking at its best. Do I take my hat off?
No, sir, no, you don't.
Oh,
nous avons abîmé, sir. There's a very good tennis match this morning, sir. Would you like to come down and see it?
I should like to very much.
I'm afraid Eileen Bennett isn't playing this morning, but if you like, I'll order the car now.
Yes, I think if you order it at once, it'd be an excellent thing.
Right, sir.
This garden was entirely made by me, but nearly every tree you see here I planted myself. I wish more people would come out and see this beautiful country. I think it would interest them, and granted good weather, they would thoroughly enjoy it. It's not as big a crowd this year as we have had, but with the weather improving, I think we shall have a certain number of people here. Well, I'm sure that they will like it when they get here.
That's right, sir.
Good morning. I'm so glad to see you here. Beautiful morning after all the bad weather we've had. And although the garden doesn't look as well as I should like, still I think it'll soon recover from the cold we've suffered. Most of the garden, as you know, has been made by myself, and I'm only too glad to show it to anybody who likes to come.
Match this morning, sir. Would you like to go down and see it?
I should like it very much.
I'm afraid Eileen Bennett isn't playing this morning, but you've got two very good matches.
Yeah.
I'll go and order the car if you'd like.
Please,
sir.
I would
Right,
like
sir.
that, yes. I hope this fine weather will bring a good many more people here. We've missed them very much so far, but I think if they're able to come, they will thoroughly enjoy the lovely scenery we have here. I think that what is remarkable about my garden are the two fine eucalyptus trees here. I don't think there are two finer anywhere on the Riviera.
Right, sir. That'll do.
That'll do? Now we really have a day you can enjoy. This country is nothing without the sun. It's always what's the most interesting here. Looks quite different when you have brilliant sunshine and when it's a dark, overcast day. Is it?
It's practically the same thing,
Yeah.
so only a little more natural, you know. And ending up by saying...
I better not look too much into the sun.
Not too much, and slightly into the camera and to the mic.
We have recently had a great entertainment for the hospital that is founded in memory of my mother for British and American visitors to the Riviera. And many of them have been treated there and have been very pleased with the manner in which they've been looked after. We had a great fete and we collected a lot of money. We're equally grateful to my own countrymen and those of the United States, both of whom subscribed very liberally. It's a most excellent hospital, and we have a staff of very highly trained nurses. Is that about all, I think?